Hi! Today we want to show you one of many features available in Davinci Resolve, Color Page. Color Page is a dedicated workspace within the software where users can perform color correction and grading on their video footage. Davinci Resolve allows you to color your footage without exporting it first, so you can correct, edit after color. The Color Page provides a comprehensive set of tools and features for adjusting various aspects of the image, such as exposure, contrast, saturation, hue, and more. What tools does Color Page have? So when you open the Color Page, you see a lot of windows. First, go to the left side. Here we have Clips. It opens a window with all of the footage on your timeline. If you click on one of them, you'll be able to color that clip. Next is Media Pool, where all of your media in the project are. LUTs. A LUT in color correction is a file that quickly adjusts the color and contrast of an image or video based on predefined settings. Last one is the Gallery, where you can save your stills. Still refers to a single frame or a snapshot of a video clip or project. It's used for various purposes, such as reference, comparison, or as a placeholder image. Now on the right side we have Quick Render, where you can quickly render a timeline. Next is Timeline. When you click it, a window with timeline will appear. You can see here how far you are or what is the placement of a particular clip. Nodes are like layers. If you add another node, you will create another layer. It's useful for adding, for example, blur or effects to the clip. Next are effects that you can apply on your footage. Just drag it to the node. And lastly, we have Lightbox. It shows you all the clips next to each other. It can help you see if all of your clips are colored even. On the Color Page, we also see the viewer, where you can see the final result of your color correction or grading. Below you can see a lot of bookmarks, but we'll focus on one of them today. On the right side, we have keyframes to change color or effects throughout the clip. Next we have scopes, which are visual tools used for analyzing and adjusting the color and exposure of your footage. These scopes provide a graphical representation of various aspects of the image, such as brightness, color balance, and saturation. There's also info about the clip. Now that we know the layout of the Color Page, we can try to use it on the example. First, if you have clips on the timeline, go to the Color Page. Select which clip you want to color. Use color wheels to even colors of your clip. Open Parade to control your actions. We'll focus today only on those 4 wheels. First is Lift. The Lift wheel controls the shadows and darker areas of the image. By adjusting the lift wheel, you can manipulate the balance of shadows. Lower part of the waveform is stretching. Don't go below 0. After lift, work on gain. The gain wheel affects the highlights or brighter area of the image. Higher part of the waveform is stretching. Don't go too high. Here you can see that represents this white building, because it's the brightest. The gamma wheel influences the midtones of the image. It allows you to adjust the balance of midtone values. This color is crucial for adjusting the overall contrast and brightness of your footage. Middle part of the waveform is moving. And lastly, Offset moves the whole waveform. So if you want to brighten your clip a little bit, you can just use Offset. Here you can also change the temperature of your clip. See how the colors are changing. If you want to reset your settings, just double click. Here we also have Tint. It changes colors differently. You can also change contrast and saturation. We'll add to this clip a little bit of saturation. And the last one is hue. It really changes the colors. Now we'll color the next clip to match the first one. What do you think? We hope you learned how to do basic color correction. If you want to learn more about Davinci Resolve, go check out our video explaining Fusion page. Thank you for watching.